What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com and SurrealOriginalRaiments.com. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to heat press a beanie like so. So today we're just going to be focusing on using one of our clear beanies right here, and we're going to heat press a SOR logo right on this joint. I'm going to wear the hat just so you can get the idea. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up our Cricut design right here. Please excuse this messy laptop. This is a really old laptop and I've been using it for a while, so excuse that. So let's wait till this loads up. Any day now. Just waiting for everything to load up. Cool, let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, now that we are inside our Cricut software, let's go ahead and turn our Cricut Explorer on. Our Cricut Explorer Air 2. Turn this on. And this up. And we need to get our handy dandy Cricut mat. So let's go ahead and do that. So as you can see, we have our mat, and we're not going to need that much paper for this project, so I'm going to just go ahead and use this much. Put this right down on my mat. Make sure it's stick on there. And then once that's through, we'll just go ahead and slide it through the Cricut Explorer. And then make sure you push it in, and then there you go. Now that we got our mat ready, we can go ahead and start cutting out our SOR design. I'm gonna press make it right here. Click on that, let everything load up. Boom. Now as you can see, this is how the design is gonna look on the mat over there. So what you wanna do is you wanna press mirror, because like in my previous videos, mirror mode is the correct way to cut it. So once that's done, press continue. Wait for that. Once this loads up, go over here to our machine. Oh, the machine was off, jeez. So now that it's ready to go, you can see that the Cricut button is flashing. Once that's flashing, press it. And we'll just wait for it to cut out. Boom. So now we just got our cutout perfectly finished. Let's press this button right here. Pull it out. And now we got pill. I know it's kind of hard to see right here, but bear with me as I cut the design out, or pill design. So first thing I'm gonna do is grab these scissors. Cut that. And then we gotta peel this. Make sure the peel is good, because if you don't peel it correctly, Okay, now we get to the fun part. So I'm going to take this design, as you can see it, right here on the hoodie. By the way, the heat press is at 330, and we're gonna let this sit for 10 seconds on suppressor. So let's see what's up. See how this looks. So after we do that, slow peel. Take your time when you peeling, because sometimes the design may mess up if you are not careful. Like I have a little mistake right here, but it's alright. And now I see that I have another defect, but it's okay. No issues with that. Whenever I get defects, I'll just move it. Whenever you get a defect with a messed up part, don't sweat it. Just make sure you put it back on the garment the same way it was originally on the design. And this is how you save your design as well. So you do this, just make sure it's on there correctly. It's a little off. It's a little off. It's cool. We're gonna be alright. So then I'll put, this is a little t-shirt cloth you can rip off. Put it over your design. You press it in time. Let's see what we got. There you have it. This piece is a little off, but it's okay. But as you can see, everything else is on there fine, nice and perfect. Well, not. As you can see, the heat press was successful and we fixed it. So this is what it looks like now. And that, my friends, is how you heat press a beanie. As you can see, everything looks good. The only defect I would say is just this little part of the design is slightly off, but you can't really tell. And trust me, you'll get designs like that all the time, and you may have defects, but as long as you save it and it's still on there, you'll be good. So with that being said, just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another heat pressing tutorial. Be on the lookout for more. If you want to see more heat pressing tutorials, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and also check out our gear, Surreal Original Raiments. I'll leave a comment in the description. I'll leave the links in the description and everything. So thank you for tuning in. Rashad Beats out. Thank you for tuning in. Rashad Beats from RashadBeats.com and SurrealOriginalRaiments.com out. Peace.